Have you ever wondered where your morning cup of coffee comes from? Today, we're going to learn all about how coffee beans are grown by farmers. Let's dive in. First, farmers need to find the perfect place to grow coffee. Coffee plants love warm climates, so they are usually grown in countries near the equator, like Brazil, Colombia, and Ethiopia. To start growing coffee, farmers plant special seeds called coffee beans. These beans are soaked in water for a day or two to help them sprout. Then, they are planted in special nurseries or directly in the ground. Just like you need to take care of your plants at home, coffee plants also need love and care. Farmers make sure the plants get enough water, sunlight, and nutrients from the soil. They also protect them from pests and diseases. After a few years, the coffee plants start to grow beautiful green leaves and small white flowers. These flowers turn into fruits called coffee cherries. It takes about 9 months for the cherries to ripen and turn bright red. When the coffee cherries are ripe, it's time for the harvest. Farmers carefully pick the cherries by hand or use special machines. They make sure to only pick the ripe cherries, as they have the best flavor. Once the cherries are picked, the coffee beans need to be separated from the fruit. There are two main methods, the dry method and the wet method. In the dry method, the cherries are spread out in the sun to dry. In the wet method, the cherries are washed and the beans are extracted. After the beans are processed, they are ready to be roasted. Roasting gives the coffee beans their delicious aroma and flavor. Finally, the roasted beans are ground and brewed to make the coffee we all love to drink. So now you know how coffee beans are grown by farmers. It's a long and careful process, but it's worth it for that perfect cup of coffee. Next time you enjoy a sip, remember the hard work that goes into growing those beans. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.